So what does repost video mean? That's a great question. So look at the sidebar over here on this side. Now you'll see all these different things. Okay, the very first thing, that right there, is to follow the creator. The next one down, that's to like their video. The next one down below that, that right there is to leave a comment on their video. Beneath that, that little tag is to favorite their video. Then you have the three dots right there. The three dots, you click on that, that's where you share the video. So you can copy the link, share it to a different social media platform, send it in an email, a text message, whatever. You can send it to someone's messenger here on TikTok. Also, there's a thing called repost. If you hit that repost, then what that does is it can show up in the FYP page of your followers. So notice you think your followers might want to see the video also. If you hit repost, then your followers will probably get to see the video as well. Beneath that, the very bottom thing, that is the sound or the music file associated with the video. You can click on that, and then you can actually take like the video from this audio here and record your own video, but using my audio off of this video here. You can do that with anyone. So it's another way to share your favorite creators' content.